today. I wish. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a little time test. Okay, so not time test, not test. We're gonna see how long it takes one man to do. I think this next job is about 5 areas, but I will put the details. I'll talk about the details as I get there. But Aaron's not working with me today, and so I got a couple jobs to do, but nothing really big, so no problem. But what I want to do is kind of just document the time. That way, you guys hear about me saying, oh, it took me an hour and a half. A lot of guys in the business that are working by themselves, they're saying that it's taking them a lot longer. I'm saying if you just kind of refine everything and have a good routine down, you can really cut that time down and really just make more money in the end of it all. I mean, the less time it takes you, the more money you make hourly, really. All right, we'll see. When we get there. See when we get there. See, I need to learn how to talk right. See when we get there. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, just did the walkthrough. 5 areas: living room, office, bedroom, and hall. And real thick plush carpet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I haven't removed any hoses or equipment yet, vacuumed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of deodorization in some areas and pre-spray. Quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. Okay, so I pre-sprayed. I'm gonna go ahead and agitate just in the areas that need it. There's a few other areas, there's some problem areas in there, and through the areas I added a little deodorization. I did that for free. I'm not using much, but yeah. So time to scrub. Alright guys, so right here, the customer just kind of noted for the job that usually that transition against the kitchen, between the kitchen and this room right here, it gets us more of a soiled look along the edges. And I kind of explained to the customer that sometimes carpet cleaners will go parallel with the edges, which sometimes you don't get as much vacuum there, so it doesn't pick up everything, it doesn't rinse everything really well. So what I always do, I go straight on with it. That way I can overlap and make sure all the fiber gets plenty of vacuum and a good rinse on it. Go through here on my way out, run a mop over it. This is squeaky clean, a basic coating. That way I don't leave my footprints and everything looks beautiful as I showed up. Time is 11:31. Alright guys, so that's my routine. So as far as when you're going across the carpet with your wand, you know, it has to do, how fast you go is how much your PSI and how it's vacuuming. I have a truck mount, so I kind of count it as about 4 seconds strokes. You know, if you have a portable, you might want to go a little slower because you don't have that much vacuum, although some of these ETMs have some really good vacuum. Customer was super happy. They used somebody else. They used somebody else before, and they just couldn't get to it, so they used me. So I just, did my best. It's a job interview, I'm not trying to steal the guy's customer, but if something, he closed business, and they're gonna remember me. Now I gotta remember how to get out of here. They told me, but I wasn't listening. Now what else? Let's see. Help speed up the process. Well, anyway, that was about 45 minutes, guys. The ticket was for, I'll put it at the end, $225. And so you do the math. So yes, it can be done, and yes, you can do every step without skipping steps and still make great money. Some people think that, oh, I'm not going to be able to pre-spray, I'm not going to be able to maybe even vacuum, to be able to cut my time down. But it's not true. It's just, you can see I did all my prep work even before I pulled out my hoses. So the benefit of having a backpack sprayer or any pump up sprayer, or whatever you use, you don't have to hook everything up to get that done. So I had a lot of dwell time on that, which as we all know, dwell time really helps in breaking up that soil. And I even did agitation, and I kind of focused on the traffic area, because that's all you need to do. You don't need to do every square inch of it. So anyway, that's just a little proof in the pudding, guys. Hope you like it. If you're thinking about getting in the carpet cleaning industry, I got a course, and I'm talking about it in every video, but I got a lot of questions, and so I just put them all into a course, and hey, that'll help you build your business and do the technical side and chemistry and recommendations and stuff like that. So yeah, off to the next one. See you in the next one.